Most people aren't broke because they're bad at math. They're broke because they've never had a simple plan. If you stay with me for the next few minutes, I'll give you a 60-day money reset. Day by day, week by week, you'll know exactly what to do with your paycheck, your debt, and your savings. Follow this for the next 60 days, and the next 10 years of your money will look completely different. Here's how this works. We'll break the next 60 days into 8 weekly missions. 1. Know exactly where your money goes. 2. Plug the leaks. 3. Automate your cash. 4. Attack bad debt. 5. Build your first safety cushion. 6. Start investing the simple way. 7. Grow your income. 8. Set long-term goals and track your net worth. You don't need perfection. You just need to do the mission for each week. Week 1, day 1 to 7. Know your numbers. Before we fix anything, we need to see the truth. Pull the last 3 months of bank and credit card statements. Put every single expense into 3 buckets. 1. Must-pay bills, rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, car payment, insurance, subscriptions you truly use. 2. Nice-to-have spending, eating out, shopping, bars, coffee runs, Uber, random Amazon buys. 3. Debt payments, credit cards, personal loans, student loans. By the end of week 1, you should know how much you earn each month and how much goes into each bucket. This is your money dashboard. No judgment yet, just awareness. Week 2, day 8 to 14. Cut the easy leaks. Sort your spending from biggest to smallest. Then ask one question for each line. Can I realistically cut this by 10 to 30% for the next 60 days? Maybe it's fewer takeouts, driving instead of Uber, canceling forgotten subscriptions, or switching to a cheaper phone or insurance plan. Your target is simple. Find at least $300 to $500 per month in savings you can free up. That money is going to become your emergency fund, your debt payoff fuel, and your investments. Week 3, day 15 to 21. Automate your money. Open a high-yield savings account for short-term goals and emergencies. Then set up automatic transfers for the day you get paid. Example: 10% of your paycheck goes straight to savings. 10% goes to investing or extra debt payments. The rest stays in checking for bills and spending. When you pay yourself first automatically, you stop relying on willpower. The money moves before you even see it. Week 4, day 22 to 28. Kill expensive debt. List every credit card and loan with 3 numbers: the balance, the interest rate, and the minimum payment. Pick one card with the highest interest and make it your main target. Use some of the money you freed up in week 2 to pay extra on that card every month. Then call the lender and politely ask if they can lower your interest rate. Even a small drop can save you hundreds of dollars over time. Debt payoff is not magic. It's a focused attack, one balance at a time. Week 5, day 29 to 35. Build your safety net. Your next milestone is simple. Get your emergency fund to at least $1,000 as fast as you reasonably can. Sell old stuff you don't use, take one extra shift, or use that new budget you created. Once you hit $1,000, keep building toward 1 month of expenses. Knowing that you can handle a surprise car repair or medical bill changes the way you sleep at night. Week 6, day 36 to 42. Let your money grow. Once you're paying down debt and building savings, it's time to invest. You don't need to pick hot stocks. Open a low-fee brokerage account and start with a simple index fund or ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Even $100 or $200 a month invested consistently can grow into hundreds of thousands over a few decades. The goal is not to get rich this week. The goal is to become the kind of person who invests every month. Week 7, day 43 to 49. Turn up the income. You can only cut expenses so far, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. This week, pick one income move. Ask your boss for a raise, backed with real results. Start a simple side hustle, deliveries, freelancing, selling unused items, or begin learning a higher income skill like video editing, coding, design, or sales. Even an extra $200 to $400 a month sent straight to savings or debt can move you years ahead. Week 8, day 50 to 60. Lock in your new money identity. Now that you've cleaned up your budget, automated your cash, started killing debt, built savings, and begun investing, it's time to zoom out. 1. Set clear goals for the next 12 months. How much debt do you want gone? How much do you want in savings? And how much do you want invested? 2. Track your net worth once a month. Total assets minus total debts. 3. Put a recurring reminder in your calendar every 3 months to review your plan. You didn't just watch a video, you built a 60-day system. Stick with it, and your future self will thank you every single payday. You don't need to fix your whole life tonight. You just need to follow the next 60 days with intention. Let me know in the comments, which week do you need the most right now? 1, 2, 3, or 4 to 8. If you're serious about changing your money story, type reset so I know who you are. And if you want more simple, no BS money breakdowns for everyday Americans, subscribe to Money Brain USA and watch the next video on your screen. Your future self is already glad you did.